Welcome to the Laird Thermal Systems product training module for the Nextreme series of recirculating chillers. This presentation will introduce the features of the Nextreme Chiller Series and the technology behind recirculating chillers. You will also learn how the Thermal Wizard can be used to find the optimal liquid cooling solution for your application. Design engineers in every industry are facing demands for higher performance with reduced energy consumption and lower noise levels. Laird Thermal Systems series of Nextreme Recirculating Chillers meets these challenges. The Nextreme chillers offer a high coefficient of performance and a reduced power consumption by up to 50% compared to conventional compressor-based systems. With models ranging from 1,800 to 5,000 watts of cooling power, the Nextreme chiller line is an energy-efficient platform that minimizes downtime and is versatile enough to support the cooling needs of large and small OEMs, research facilities, laboratories, and universities. Laboratory technicians, R&D engineers, and equipment operators will appreciate the quiet, set-it-and-forget-it operation. Recirculating chillers are liquid cooling systems that control the temperature of water or water with glycol, antifreeze, in a liquid circuit, with little impact by the surrounding temperature. The coolant is recirculated using a high reliability pump. Heat from the coolant is absorbed by a durable compressor-based system and dissipated to the ambient environment. The main components include a tank, pump, heat exchanger or evaporator, compressor, heat exchanger, condenser, fan, and expansion valve, all housed inside a durable sheet metal casing. The Nextreme Recirculating Chiller Series features 3 different models. All models can be programmed to a temperature set point between -10 degrees centigrade to 40 degrees centigrade and achieve temperature stability of 0.1 degrees centigrade. Models equipped with standard features and popular options are immediately available through distribution. The Nextreme Recirculating Chiller Platform is the next generation of recirculating chillers that features premium components and performance at an attractive price. The platform features high-quality components, low-noise design, environmentally friendly R513A refrigerant, and user-friendly operation for reliable, precise temperature control of analytical, medical, and industrial equipment. The variable speed motors for the compressor and condensing fan result in low noise operation, improved energy efficiency, and lower HVAC costs because less heat is introduced to the environment. The Nextreme Recirculating Chiller Platform is designed for serviceability and ease of use in mind. The LCD touchscreen display allows the user to control temperature set points, coolant type, flow, and alarm settings. The fluid system is a semi-closed loop and features a breathable reservoir cap similar to an automobile that prevents evaporative losses and the introduction of bacteria into the cooling fluid. This removes the need for frequent monitoring of fluid levels and coolant quality. The semi-closed system also eliminates the need for additional hardware to prevent backflow of fluids when the cooled application device is installed on a benchtop or even on an entire building level above or below the chiller. An optical fluid level sensor with no moving parts offers improved reliability and increased uptime when compared to chillers that use mechanical float switches. A programmable alarm alerts the operator when fluid levels fall below normal operating conditions. An RS-232/RS-485 communications interface offers complete control integration of the chiller with a higher level assembly control system where users can remotely request data or send set points to the chiller using communication commands. To prevent damage to equipment in high-pressure operating conditions, the chiller senses the supply fluid pressure and will alert users when low or high-pressure limits have been exceeded. The chiller platform offers an optional hot swappable 5-micron water filter for filtering particulates from the coolant circuit. This allows filter maintenance to be scheduled at any time without the need to shut off the unit. The flow control valve and flow sensing kit contains an externally installed valve for controlling the overall fluid flow to the application. Full flow continues through the chiller to maintain high heat transfer rates and temperature stability. The high accuracy, high reliability flow meter measures the coolant flow rate and displays the flow on both the flow meter and on the integrated chiller LCD display. The valve and flow meter kit allow the user to easily set the flow rate to any application. By using environmentally friendly 513A refrigerant, the Nextreme Chiller delivers similar performance with half the global warming potential compared to traditional hydrofluorocarbon refrigerants. Users will also benefit from the variable speed motors for the compressor and condensing fan, which result in a quiet operation and improved energy efficiency. This also introduces less heat into the environment, lowering HVAC costs. Laird Thermal Systems has developed the Thermal Wizard to help engineers simplify and speed up the process of specifying and selecting the right thermal solution. The web-based specification and selection tool assists engineers in quickly determining the optimum cooling solution based on their cooling requirement. In this example, moving the QC slider to the application's heat load of 4,800 watts and clicking Search produces a quick selection table of the optimum recirculating chillers for your application. The flow rate requirement will help you determine which model to choose for the optimum selection. Click on the part number to view the interactive data sheet and complete your selection. If you do not know the cooling requirement for your application, the Thermal Wizard provides a liquid cooling calculator to help you determine the QC requirement. The Thermal Wizard cooling calculator prompts you for all the information necessary to produce a QC estimate. As you can see, there are 3 examples of different sizes to help you get started. Once you have determined the QC requirement, you can utilize the QC slider to specify the appropriate series of thermal management products and select the optimum solution. In summary, the Nextreme Chiller Series is a new generation of recirculating chillers designed to cool well below ambient temperature and dissipate heat away from thermally sensitive equipment. The platform features high-quality components, environmentally friendly R513A refrigerants, low-noise design, and a user-friendly operation for reliable, precise temperature control of analytical, medical, and industrial equipment. Models equipped with standard features and popular options are immediately available through distribution. Don't see the exact solution for your specific cooling needs? The Nextreme series can be specifically configured to meet your application requirements. Simply contact Laird Thermal Systems at LairdThermal.com.